Follow these simple instructions to build your new Gallagher food plot protector fence. These are the tools you will need to build your food plot protector fence: hammer, pliers, knife, lighter, marker, and you will need a measuring tape and a post driver. Here are the products you will use to build your food plot protector fence: 48-inch fiberglass posts, turbo wire, turbo tape, fiberglass post clips, polywire tighteners, a digital voltmeter, ground rods, and an energizer. Today we are using the B100 solar energizer. Step 1. To build a food plot fence, first determine the size and shape of the area you want to protect. A round shape is optimum. Try to avoid square corners. Step 2. Take half of the posts and lay them side by side. Make 3 marks from the bottom of the posts up at 18 inches, 28 inches, and 42 inches. These posts will be used for the inner fence. Step 3. Now take the other half of the posts and lay them side by side. Mark each at 18 inches and 36 inches from the bottom. These posts will be used for the outer fence. Step 4. Start by driving one of the inner fence posts into the ground to the first mark, the 18-inch mark. These posts are the ones with 3 markings on them. Step 5. Next, measure 36 inches out from the post and drive one of the outer fence posts into the ground to the first mark, the 18-inch mark. These posts are the ones with 2 markings on them. Should be 10 inches off the ground for the bottom wire and 24 inches off the ground for the top wire. Step 12. Now you're ready to build the outer fence portion of the food plot protector fence. Start by putting the fiberglass post clip in the only marked hole. This should be 18 inches above the ground. Then tie off the 1/2 inch turbo tape to the post. Step 13. Unroll the turbo tape off of the end of the spool around the perimeter of the outer fence. The turbo tape should have a spiral or corkscrew appearance. Step 14. Cut the turbo tape, leaving enough wire so that you can tie off on the corner post. Leave around 6 extra feet of tape. You will need this later to connect the fence to the Energizer. Slide the XLT8 tightener onto the turbo tape and locate it midway around the perimeter. Step 15. Tie the turbo tape off on the corner post, pulling the extra wire out of the fence as you tie the wire off. Step 16. Attach the turbo tape to each post using the post clips at the only mark, which is 18 inches above the ground. Step 17. Repeat step 16 for the rest of the posts on the outside fence. Step 18. At the corner post, take the 2 extra lengths of turbo wire and tie them together. Step 19. Take the extra turbo tape from the outside fence and tie it to the corner post of the connect it to the ground rod. Take the red alligator clip and connect it to the top wire of the inner fence. Finish by turning the Energizer on. If you need more than one ground, use the Gallagher Complete 3 ground rod kit. Step 6. Test all 3 wires with an Econo DVM. You should have at least 3,000 volts on each wire. Congratulations! You are finished building your Gallagher Food Plot Protector fence. Inspect your fence and check voltage regularly.